I see
Oh
something.
my.
A yellow thing. What is this? I can't open it.
Oh, be careful.
There is all the stuff is. Look at that slime. There's bears in it.
Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. And more stuff.
What is that Sprite thing?
What? Oh, they gave you a bracelet. What's it called? Peachy bees, Joya? Peachy bees.
But it's not. This is not the one that we wanted, but
It's not? It's not the honeybee one?
yeah, because it doesn't have the color.
Julia, it doesn't have the honey thing, the honeycomb. Did you know that? Oh, we're going to have to get another one. Because it doesn't have like that honeycomb that you smush into it.
No, that's not what it was.
Oh.
I don't know that company. That was on TikTok.
Mm.
It's still pretty cool, isn't it?
It's so cool. How's
Did
it
come
feel?
with this?
Yeah, it came with all that stuff, that bracelet, the
Wow.
sticker.
It says slime is the mood. You gonna want that?
Maybe.
That's a lot too. That's a lot of slime. How many ounces is it?
What's this?
What
it
is
came with
that?
this sticky fix spray.
Oh, because it is kind of sticky, so you could, oh my gosh, in a spray. That's cool.
Oh.
That's like what we use.
You want this little guy?
Yeah.
You like him?
Oh.
He's a weird little.
Oh, how cute. What's he look like? Let me see, Graham. What does he
Show
look
me.
like? What is that?
Did he say green?
Is it green? Say green.
Give him a kiss.
Kisses? Oh.
Oh.
Oh, oh. Say uh-oh.
Oh, ouch. Bonk.
Graham, say green. Green.
Still sticky. I'm gonna get the rest out.
Did he kiss him?
No, he's fine.
Look at all the bees.
Kisses.
Look.
Kisses?
Graham, give him a hug.
Look at the bees.
Oh.
Look at the bees.
Ooh, that's
Oh.
That's cool.
There's crackers?
There's like,
That's pretty cool.
There's like.
It looks like pollen.
Look at this.
Why are you painting?
Whoa, that is so. Does she need more spray?
Do you need more spray?
Yeah.
Did you fart?
It's sticky. Look how sticky I got
Such a
Oh, you want some?
Some kind of chemical.
I need more. Just a little bit.
Spray it. Come here, Papa. Whoa. Do you love it?
Yeah, can I have this real quick?
Can I see your little green man? Oh, okay.
Look how
Hi,
much
Papa.
sound it makes.
Hmm. It makes what? Oh, let's hear the sounds. Let's hear it. Can't play with that, Baba. You got your little green man.
Look at that little bee.
Oh, she's so cute.
Graham.
I cannot eat right now.
Why? Because you're too sticky.
And I don't want to eat slime stuff.
Well, he has to double hand it. Take a bite.
I want to see what color. What color is this
Is it cold?
block thing?
Cold.
What is this color of this?
B. Graham, eat your Uncrustable.
Eat it.
Is he saying got you?
I think so. Got you. Got you.
Tag.
Tag. Got you.
What?
Oh,
What?
got
Oh,
you.
it's dripping. It's dripping. Oh.
Spider-Man's eating some young food.
Spider-Man's eating it. Where is Spider-Man? I don't see him. Oh.
I'm gonna eat this honeycomb out of here. And that bee. And
Graham,
that-
Spider-Man's hungry. He's going to eat that. Spider-Man's going to eat it.
He's gonna eat the honeycomb. He's gonna eat the honeycomb. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh. He doesn't want you to let him eat it.
Dubby, rubby, dubby. Look at my nails. It looks green inside here. Look.
Boy, that really makes a lot of cool sounds. It really pops. Doesn't it?
Yeah. Look at that little bear.
What is that? Oh.
Bear.
So what are there? Bears, stars, bees, little honeycomb bits?
That's in here somewhere.
Oh, I want to play with it now.
When I'm done, when I see the cracker,
Mm-hmm.
there's the cracker. It's like a big honeycomb. That's what it is, a big honeycomb. Oh, one side is a cracker and one is a honeycomb. One is a cracker and one is a honeycomb.
Oh. What is it? Wow, that's so cool.
Maybe they grow honeycombs. Maybe the crackers are made of honeycombs.
Mm-hmm. Maybe.
And they make this. Bees make this maybe. Maybe this is where they get all of their honey, and this is like the back side of it, and this is the front.
Wait a minute, I don't understand. What do you mean?
Like bee persons that capture bees and stuff.
Beekeepers.
Have these little things this little box, and then there's these kind of things that they put in and take out.
Well,
It's because I watched the videos and I think there was bees inside them, or just on the TV. I don't know.
Graham, do you know?
Look, I'm gonna make a little mark.
Graham, hello? Do you know how the bees make honeycombs?
No, he's
Hello?
a baby. He's a baby. He doesn't know
Okay.
the world stuff.
The world stuff?
Is Graham a baby or a toddler?
Toddler.
And he doesn't know the world stuff?
Yes, he doesn't know.
Not yet. Do you? Oh, you put Mr. Green Man in there? Goodbye, Mr. Green Man.
Green Man's gonna come back. I'm gonna take him out. Look.
Let me see him.
Mr. Green Man.
Mr. Green Man.
The only thing that I want to take out is their eyeballs.
There's eyeballs?
On the monster.
Oh, but there's not eyeballs inside the stuff that's in the slime.
No eyeballs. Feel the Green one, I bet there will be eyeballs inside.
A mean what?
No, a Halloween one.
Okay, okay.
Can you see?
Oh, Lordy.
I thought he was eating slime.
No. He's eating his Uncrustable.
Take this slime off.
Graham, don't fall, please. You can get up here. Up.
Look at Mr.
Up.
Man. This is his home.
Mr. Green Man.
Just took him out. Why? I'm keeping him there. Look at this slime. Cute slime. I'm gonna cut it.
Oh, boy. Let me listen. Oh, that's fun.
Yeah.
Cutting it is fun. Cut it into little pieces. Careful, though, with your fingers.
I can't even hear it that much. Big piece. Whoa!
Graham, you want to get down?
Here, I'll take you close so you can hear it.
Oh, perfect. Wait, let me see it so I can see it.
And let's be right here though, so they can hear it. Did you hear that?
Yes.
People, not you. On this side. I can't hear it.
Okay, I'm close so you can hear. Go ahead.
I can't hear it. It was a big one the first time. There, big.
There, I heard that one. Now do the popping.
I'm taking this out so I can see what.
Bye, Graham.
The other one is gonna be amazing. The other slime, amazing.
What one? Oh, the one with the honeycomb?
No, the spitting out one.
Hmm.
The next one is gonna be the spitting out one.
You have another one coming?
Yeah, Mom is gonna buy it.
Now what are you doing? Just taking off little pieces? Okay, I have to feel this. Oh, wow. Kind of sticky.
Look, I can see not this one. Doesn't look that blurry this time.
Let me see.
This one.
Do that again. Oh.
I need a big.
Whoa.
Oh, I couldn't make it up. I want to do 8.
I was thinking of some things we could add to it later, like some fun things. And I'm wondering what it would be like to add kinetic sand to it. What do you think? To slime. If it would just dry it out, though. I don't know. What do you think?
I do not know. I don't want to lose this beautiful slime.
Does it smell good? Does it smell like what?
It just smells like gross kind of slime.
Sticky slime. Know where is that sticky fix pen?
Whoa, look at this. Look at
Whoa.
this. That was so shiny.
Just curious.
Wow, I'm a sticky gummy bear.
Care.
Yes, I'm a gummy bear. I'm a yummy looking gummy
Peachy slime. Peachy bees.
Peachy bees?
Peachy bees. Peachy bees.
What is a peachy bee?
That's just the name of their company.
Anything peachy?
Anything
They can
peachy?
come to our house.
What? All right, are you gonna let me play with it now? Or not yet?
We're both good.
You're gonna give me some of it? You can just cut off just a piece for me. You don't have to give me that much. That's okay, that's fine. Thank you. want it to get dirty.
Look at
Oh,
my.
there's a little
Look.
teddy. There's a teddy bear in there. Whoa, let me see.
Like I'm making ice cream on the floor.
It's pretty sticky, so yeah, I probably need some more of that spray.
No.
Oh, that's good. I just said one spray, but okay.
I'm gonna get all of that.
Definitely helps.
Use it around and mix. Oh, I almost cut my finger.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Mine's still a little sticky. One more spray. Or
Okay.
two.
Yeah, it really helps a lot when you spray it.
3 maybe. I don't know.
But you don't want to do too much because then you don't want it to be like hard so that you can't play with it.
It's a putty slime.
Oh.
Why would I not do this?
Okay.
Look,
Hmm.
I can stretch it. Du-du-du-du-du. This is the best slime. Ooh, these ones look nice. So this is the one we got. I want to get this one and this one. This one seems so fun.
What's that look like? Cotton candy. Doesn't it?
Yeah, but it's like a cotton candy.
What's the one in the middle? Oh, that one looks like
A space one.
space one. Yeah.
Then you only need a spider.
Hmm?
You only need a spider. Look how.
Do you know what the word is for if you're afraid of spiders?
What?
I think it's arachnophobia.
Look how green and my finger looks inside it.
You can
and
see it.
How blue it looks without it.
Are your neon stars still on your fingers? You're glowing. Oh, they came off. Oh.
Ah! I'm stuck inside the chair. I'm actually not. Get out.
Oh, I love slime. So fun.
Make you. That hurt my finger a little bit. Ow!
I'm going to cut it.
My knee. Oh, you almost cut your side. I'll slap it so hard. I'll slap its brain out.
Oh, someone's stuck on me. Ah!
I'm gonna get this bear out of here and I'm gonna slap his brain and out of here.
Wait, what?
I'll slap its brain out of here.
Charlotte.
I'm gonna slap the slime with the.
Why is everything about slapping?
And to slap all of the characters and bees and all that stuff out of here.
Oh. Oh.
And honeycombs. And more honeycombs. Big honeycombs. And peaches out of here.
No!
I should have just did that piece.
Yeah, and you need to get it because it's just going to get all dirty.
It always gets dirty. What do you mean? This
Oh.
milky gummy bear is getting out of here. Bye-bye.
No!
Slap the spray out. Spray comes out. Look.
Let me see.
Look.
Oh my No. No.
Slapped another brain out of here.
Charlotte. That's just a little bee buzzing above his head.
Sting your eyeballs. Sting your whole body.
Sting? It's allergic to bees? He turned green?
No, he always been green. What do you mean? I'm gonna slap this bee out of here.
No. One of the dogs will get it. Bring it back. Okay. I'm just cutting you off. You're turning sadistic.
No. His brain coming out. Put its brain back in. Where's that? There's his brain. Get his brain back in there. Here you go. Brain. His brain was stuck on his head. His brain is back. I'm gonna slap this bear out of here.
Spider-Man to the rescue. Stop it, Charlotte. You're being terrible. I'm going to stop you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Even on one leg, I am going to stop you.
No, you're not.
No.
No, you're not.